What to do when you're overthinking. Have you ever had a racing mind? A string of thoughts that just won't quit? Does it feel like you can't stop thinking about the same thing over and over again? What if we let go of the idea that we can control our thoughts? What might that be like? If you're willing, let's try a mini experiment. Don't think about a pink rhinoceros. Did it work? Okay, so maybe you did think of one. Not a problem. Just delete that thought. Go ahead and delete it. Did that work? Let's consider some different things you can do when you notice a thought that you'd really like to get rid of. Thoughts come up for lots of different reasons. Sometimes it has to do with our memories. Sometimes thoughts are based on what's happening inside and around us at the moment. As humans, our thoughts have evolved to help us survive and socialize. That's a different way of saying we're wired to have anxious or worried thoughts from time to time. Let's think of some ways we can work with the thoughts that come up. First, you might want to thank your mind for trying to protect you. Having anxious or worried thoughts is part of being human. Let your mind and body know that you've got this. Next, you can consider trying to say your thoughts in a different voice. Maybe this can be a silly voice, a sing-song voice, a robot voice, or even just saying it super duper slowly. The goal is to recognize your thought for what it is. Just a thought. There's no need to make it your enemy. Another option is to recognize that you can't outrun your thoughts. They're already here. Instead of trying to run away from your thoughts, consider whether you can surround them with other thoughts so the thoughts don't feel so overwhelming. Think of it through the lens of and both, not either or. Remember, you can't delete the thoughts anyway. So maybe you can't control every thought that pops into your mind. None of us can. And maybe it's worth considering using our energy to work with the thoughts instead of trying to stop or control them. Overthinking is exhausting. With practice, letting go of the effort to control your thoughts may give you more energy to do what you want. Remember, you are not your thoughts, and thoughts are not facts. You are the one who gets to decide what you do next. So, what do you really want to do?